Giriraj Singh, Myntri Rural Development and Textile jong sorkar pdeng, mentaksi ula leit hi syakathan umdan, belatip Sha Shnong Ksai ryndia, banyak kynduh iaki nongthaiñ shnatiarti kinong ram, bat kinong yo bentai ke skim Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, PMAY, and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA, hakatay ke jinglet tur myntri syakathan umdan, ula leit ru ban jingo Iaki Design Innovative Research Center DIRC hadiwan ban sakhi yak rukam than karukam thirksai bat karukam wirong yoksai ryndia ha kabala sakhiru da ka jingdan lang u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoy ki officer na kitanat sorkar paper bat kiwe hadin ka jinglet jingo bat yakandu yakinongram la pelong ru da ka jingalang haduya hall hadiwan ha kaba myntri ula kular iaki nongthaiñ ban kyrshan jingiarap na ka sorkar jilla bat kumju ru nong sorkar pdeng bat ka sorkar ka angnut ba ka jingyo ki nongthaiñ kamdei banduna ya khatsan hajar shibanai ulai ru ka jingero yu myntri rangba kari Narendra Modi uladan ya ka thong ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kwat kilong kami ha kari ha kaba menta ka kenti ka sorkar kalamang hadu kumba kandai laklur ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kwat kilong kami bat ka jila Meghalaya ka dikaway na ki jila kabla syak kantop ha katay kamang tingka ha katay kasi la samru ya ki artisan cards sya ki nong shna bat nongthaiñ kiti bakin yo jingiarap na ka sorkar
Minister dream is each woman must be earn 15,000 minimum per month. So a scheme for training, for livelihood, income. One of them is livelihood program is National Rural Livelihood Mission Self-Help Group, something here. Nothing. क्या यहाँ बोला जाता है सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को? सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. When Modi come in power 2014, that time only whole country only 2 crore 32 lakh. This time 10 crore 25 lakhs. That time bank support only 22,000 crore by the bank support. This time 9 lakh crore for the women income generation program. So Meghalaya is one of them. So I request to all officers, including my department and state department, so kindly request all to you, you make a design, make a blueprint through self-help group and generate the income by the handicraft, by the handloom, by the sericulture, by the and other thing, maybe piggery, maybe goatry, maybe poultry, maybe cattle, maybe horticulture, everything. Everything will support by the bank through self-help group. So I request to you, or to you, you never think about you are alone. You have two persons in your support. One of them, a state chief minister Sakuma. Another Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So you never think about how can do. I only request to you, you come together with government officer, and I assure to you, my department, textile department, sericulture department, help to you, and all together marketing problem.